What's the meaning of controllable? Controllable. Controllable.
Controllable. Controllable. The term controllable refers to the ability to manage or regulate something according to one's wishes. When something is described as controllable, it means that it can be manipulated or adjusted within certain limits or parameters. This can refer to a variety of different scenarios, such as controlling the temperature in a room, managing the speed of a vehicle, or regulating the output of a machine. In general, the concept of control implies a degree of power or influence over a given situation or set of circumstances.